I don't know if I'll keep doing that or not. So anyway, you'll recognize this gym. So it's mail night, and this was sent to me by Mark, and I took all of the, just for you guys, I took all of the labels off, and I didn't mention Mark's last name because I really don't know if he wants me to mention it or not, but he knows who he is. So this probably took 2 or 3 weeks to get here. I know, postage across the line and then into Canada is slow. But that's alright, it gets here. It's reliable. So we're going to open this up. Mail night! There'll be a note in here too, explaining it. Oh! Alright. He found some gloves that he'd like me to try. Oh, he says that I'm a little bit smaller than him. Oh, I thought they might fit you. Since you appear from always be wearing torn gloves in your videos. I see. Yes, just a sec. I wear these little guys. You know, the Bugs Bunny ones. The biggest hand wins. Anyway, so he has sent me a set of large gloves. Holy. And in here, there's 100 of them. Oh my gosh. I think I just have to change gloves now. So, I think we have to open this. Let's just be careful with this. I think these are pretty good quality. He says, since you appear that you may be almost as frugal as my wife, I think you might make good use of these. I ordered these in XL for myself, and these are large for you. These are heavy duty and have the gripper nubs in the palms, which might help with your dropsies also. So, let's try them out. These are not cheap. Like I buy these, you know, frugally at our Princess Auto, which would be your Harbor Freight. Oh, they're perfect. Well, we'll see how they work in gas. All right. So anyway, thanks, Mark. Too cool. And I think they will help with the dropsies. I think the dropsies are an age thing. So I haven't been putting out very many videos lately because I've just been absolutely terribly busy getting absolutely nothing done. It's that time of year. We still got a foot of snow. We still have a foot of snow on the ground. And the repairs for the snow blowers are almost done. I've got one coming back that quit running, one that I fixed last year. So I might do a video on that. But yeah, I'm just in between seasons right now, and we have a foot of snow in the backyard and not so much in the front because the front yard faces south. So yeah, it's I've got some important projects. I've got a fire truck, a little toy fire truck. It's electric. I have to fix that. And I'm not sure if I should be doing videos on all this stuff or whatever, but maybe. So that's what's going on. So mail night. Oh, I'll say his name, Mark Peacock. And this is another thing that amazes me, is the generosity of people. And we all help each other out in different ways. And thank you very, very much, Mark. This is much appreciated. And it got my rear end out here to make a video, which is good. Maybe it'll break the ice and get a few more videos on the go away. So thank you very much, Mark, for the... I'll show you what these are. They're Greenworks HD Heavy Duty Nitrile Gloves. Non-medical use only. That could be good. And there they are. And I think they're going to be way better than these, because I just get rolling in these and then I either tear them or they fall apart from gas or carb spray. So these fit a little tighter, which is good. They fit perfectly, absolutely perfectly. So thank you, Mark, and we'll see you later. I hope everybody's doing good out there. Bye.